Are you searching for tips on affiliate marketing? Well, hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on 3 tips on affiliate marketing. And I have had over 10 years of experience in network marketing, affiliate marketing, and direct sales online. So I want to share with you the 3 tips in affiliate marketing that I have learned over the years that's actually going to help you save thousands of dollars and years of headache. Okay, so please pay attention to this video for your sake. And again, my name is Justin Temple. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications for future videos on affiliate marketing, network marketing, and how to succeed with your current business opportunity. So, let me go down. So first of all, before I get into these 3 tips, I got started at 16 years old, and I became a top 200 recruiter in the company that I was in. And so I have stuck with this industry, and I actually dropped out of high school to be in network marketing / affiliate marketing. And so this is my career. This is what I love to do. And so I help people every day. People ask me questions about how to improve their funnels, about what emails to put in their autoresponder, etc., things like that. So I help people on a daily basis with their business, no matter what it is. Okay, so I'm not just one of those people that tells you to join the thing that I'm with. I'm someone that can actually help you, coach you, and guide you in the business opportunity that you're in. And so that way I can hopefully eventually, later down the line, you come join me in something else later on. Okay, so because not everyone is, ready to just get started with something. Some people have already committed to something, and maybe some people are just broke and only have 1 or 2 things to promote. So they need to know how to do something with that and build their skill set so that they can move on to something else. So that's just, where some people are sometimes, and you got to realize that and have the skills to walk people through how to succeed. Okay, and that's what I do as a mentor with over 10 years of experience. But let me go ahead and go through these 3 affiliate marketing tips. Okay, so number 1 is sell residual income products. So a lot of people want to make one-time commissions or big one-time commissions, or they want to join small programs that are like $25 or $10 to join, and they end up making $1 or $2 per sale, and they oftentimes make $1 one time. Okay, so one of the secrets to affiliate marketing is to actually sell residual membership products. And the reason you want to do this is because you're going to be able to, so for example, if you need to make $10,000 per month, let's just say that as an example. Well, let's say you make $1,000, or let's say you make $100 per sale. So you're going to have to make 100 sales to make $10,000 per month, right? So 100 sales every single month is pretty difficult. That's a new sale, a new customer, someone that that's never even seen you before, totally new, which means you're going to be spending new advertising dollars. Okay. However, if you're selling residual income membership products, well, then the whole mindset of making $10,000 per month every month goes from a right now to forever infinity goal to from right now to 30 days. Because when someone's billed every 30 days, if you get 1 member each day, which is a little difficult, right? It might take a few months for you to get 1 person per day or something like that. But just imagine if you got 1 sale on the 1st of the month, 1 sale on the 2nd of the month, 1 sale on the 3rd of the month, and those people stayed in. Well, next time the next month comes around, you're getting paid again. So all of a sudden, the mindset of and being able to see your goal goes from where you are now to infinity with one-time products, from being able to hit your $10,000 per month income goal from a 1-month point of view. Now, even if it takes you even if you get 1 sale every 3 days, let's say you get 1 sale every 3 days. Let's say you do worse than that, but okay, let's just say 1 sale every 3 days. That means after 3 months, 90 days, your income will be about one sale per day of every calendar day. So if you're selling a $100 product, that means you're going to be making $100 per day. So, and that's every month. Okay, so that's really, really important to think about and understand, because what if you're spending, for example, what if you're spending, $180 per month on your expenses for your business, right? Whoops. Well, let's say you're selling a product for, $20, and you need, what is that, 9? You need 9 sales to break even, right? So if your business expenses, let's say your autoresponder, your website, and whatever you're promoting is $180 per month, well, you need 9 sales. Let's say you make $20 per sale, and most programs there's upsells and et cetera, et cetera. So this is just a small example, but let's say you get 9 sales at $20 per month. Now you're making $180 per month. Okay, so you're breaking even at $180, and then anything past $180 is paid traffic. Okay, so once you pass your expenses, so if you're selling a $20 product, you make $20 per sale, but your expenses are $180, and you make 9 sales, you're breaking even, and then anything past that is paid traffic. Okay, so now you're going to go ahead and focus on getting a few more sales with that product, and you're going to get about, another 10 sales? 10 times 20 will equal 200. So now you can get an extra 200 per month in traffic. So when you sell residual affiliate products, you are able to cover your expenses much easier and move on to scaling your business. Okay, because you're able to sell the product once and get paid forever. So that means you only need to make 9 sales once, and then your business expenses are covered. Now, we know that in reality, most people quit, don't stay in, or et cetera, et cetera. So these 9 sales are actually more like 18, 20, 25, 30 sales over time. But let's say you get 9 sales pretty quickly, and those people happen to stay in a few months. Well, then you can immediately get to the scaling phase. So, or at least break even phase into the scaling phase. So these are the phases that you're going to go through, and selling residual income products helps you go through them very, very easily. Now, let's go to the next aspect of affiliate marketing tips, and that is build your own list and funnels. So there's many products out there, and ClickBank, JVZoo, MunchEye, there's a lot of products launching in the affiliate space from gurus, from regular people like you and me, from companies, and etc., right? So what you want to do is have the ability and the skill to build your own funnels so that you can actually build your own list. So for example, this is my funnel builder, and we can see right here, I'm going to be transparent with you. This is the all-in-one business, HBA. So I have a funnel that I built for this, okay? And then this is for HBA2, this is for HBA. This is like the ClickMagick funnel. So this is ClickMagick and Traffic Authority. So I'm buying traffic and tracking it through, to HBA. But I also have different opportunities in here. For example, if we go down here, we have Traffic Authority. So I also sell Traffic Authority's business opportunity funnel, okay? And then I also sell Traffic Authority's traffic funnel, okay? And then I also have another domain right here, Postcard Lifestyle. We'll just discard the saves, okay? And so I have a funnel now for my offline marketing postcard business as well. So I build my own funnels for the sales pages and for the affiliate funnels, okay? So this is very, very important to do because you're going to be building your own list. And every ClickBank product you ever find that you ever want to promote, or every BizOp, or every system, every pyramid, every matrix, every binary, everything that you ever want to promote ever, you're going to build a funnel. You're going to build a list. So you're going to build your own capture page, your own bridge page. And so what's a bridge page? Well, it's just a video of yourself. Okay, it's just a video of yourself introducing yourself before the opportunity or before the product. If this is a weight loss product, I could say, hey, or I'm sorry, let's say it's weight gain and I want to gain muscle. I could show a video of me saying, hey, this is me 3 months before ABC weight gain product, and this is me 3 months after, and I'm loving the results. Go and click the link down below. Right? So it's just a little intro of you, maybe a little testimonial or a little story of you, and that's it. Okay, so it's a little funnel. And so if we scroll down, it's just a page to get people to the sales page. Okay, and then this was given to me by my company, so I just put my little video on top of it. Okay, so these funnels, you're actually able to get really creative with it, get high converting numbers with it, and so that's why I recommend it. Another reason why you want to build your own list and your own funnels is because most ClickBank products and affiliate products convert at 1%. You want to get that 1% to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10%. And so the way you do that is by building a list and sending that list back to the affiliate offer or back to videos of you sharing, explaining, overcoming obstacles and objections about that product or service. Right, so let's move on to the next aspect of affiliate marketing, is don't just stick with one program. So what you want to do is understand the skill of building an affiliate marketing funnel and business, and that's where I learned how to do that was actually the Home Business Academy. So this is my funnel builder, and this is how I get traffic using YouTube videos. So if we go back to the tip, don't just stick with one program. This one program helps me promote all of my programs. So I recommend you start here, and then you can scale out and branch out. But other than that, you don't want to just stick with one program eventually, because you want to get more traffic. There's more programs that people are searching for in Google, and it has nothing to do with, oh, my list is tired, or oh, my list is small, and I need to purchase more programs to put in front of my list to shove down their throat. That's not what it is. It's more about, I need to join another program so I can make more videos and get more traffic and steal that traffic for my own list. That's what it's more about, because if you just stick with one program like the Home Business Academy, there's only so much traffic for this program. Let's say it gets 100 searches a day. Well, the leaders in this program are getting, 50, 60% of that traffic already. So I need to be able to have other traffic sources. Okay? And yes, you can stick with one program in the beginning and build that out and build out keywords and build out videos and build out content and build your list for that program. And if you do a residual program, like I told you, it will go ahead and compound on itself and you'll be able to get into profit a lot sooner. But over time, you just want to have a few more offers for people, because typically someone will come into your list and they've already seen it. They might probably already joined it, but they're just joining your list. And so oftentimes I find programs that are very synergetic. So like, for example, I have the Home Business Academy that allows me to build funnels and generate traffic for anything, but also I promote traffic authority as well. So this, these both go hand in hand. This is traffic, and then the other program is a really good system and residual income program. So all these three tips go very well with each other, and I promote programs that coincide and help each other. Okay, so none of them are competitive with each other, and I only stick with my favorite ones that go well with each other. But yeah, if you want to learn more affiliate marketing tips, go ahead and click the first link in the description below. You're also going to be able to get a free 30-minute workday escape plan to learn how to set up affiliate marketing funnels and start working less and making more. And then you can also click the second link to get my favorite paid traffic resource for affiliate marketing products. And then you can also go to the third link to visit my #1 recommended business for team building. All right, so have a wonderful day, my friend. I'll see you on the inside. Click the link down.